As the Partnership for National Unity is in a phase of reconsolidation and rebuilding, Saiku Andrews, an incoming Member of Parliament, noted that himself and other members are taking notes of the issues affecting residents through various community engagements. Andrews says his party will constantly be on the neck of the government to ensure its policies resonate with the populace.
We have to be able to create the platform outside of Parliament. So whatever those issues that affect them, whatever those mistakes that the government is about to make or have made, we have to hold the government accountable in Parliament when the platform becomes available, and create that platform outside of Parliament, meeting them through social media to let them know, hey, we are your representatives.
He added that through ongoing community engagements, the party is also taking notes of how it can improve relations with its grassroots base. While the Partnership for National Unity would have witnessed deflections during the 2025 general and regional elections, Andrews said it is on a different trajectory.
What we're doing now is going back to our constituency, going back to the communities and connecting with individuals, young people, saying to them, hey, how did we miss you? What is it that we did not do? And they would honestly give us some feedback, and based on that, we're able now to chart a better way forward.
In addition to meeting with his constituencies, Andrews noted that himself and party representatives are also reconnecting with subgroups in the People's National Congress Reform to discuss other methodologies to strengthening community representation.
We're talking about revitalizing our party groups, being able to connect back with our members to find out what are the issues that have not allowed you to participate at the level that we wanted you to participate at, and to meet these young people.
The businessman frankly told Nightly News that, like any political organization, Apnu had its shortcomings and is taking corrective measures. He added that the party is committed to representing all of its constituencies and ensure issues affecting youths in particular are prioritized.
We're saying to young people, listen, we're making a move, we're going to be representing you, and we're going to dig deep, we're going to offer you great representation, and, whatever we would have done in the past that you think that, we messed up with, we apologize for those things, and we're going to move forward.
Notably, the party on a daily basis is engaging in community outreaches with local government elections likely to be held in 2026. Antonio De reporting for the HGP Nightly News.